A pleasant and hearty welcome to the updates on the occasion of the Spectra public meeting.
I, Samadji.
And I, Ananya, feel utterly privileged to present before you the remarkable annual report of the Paul School Jalakhali for the session 2024 to 25. Morning Assembly.
Every Monday and Thursday, the students of the Pearl School gather for a morning assembly, where they start their day with prayer, pledge, a thought for the day, news headlines, and special activities. Investiture ceremony.
On 26 April 2024, school hosted its investiture ceremony. Our esteemed Chief Guest Reverend Father Jitin honored the students with their respective duties, acknowledging their potential and commitment to leadership. Students' oath was administered by our respected principal, Rabindra Jayanti.
9th May is the birth anniversary of the Bengal bard Rabindranath Tagore. Deeper School celebrated the day with a delightful blend of song, dance, recitation, speech, and especially the beautiful rally Prabhat Feri that captures the essence of Tagore's philosophy. Music and Yoga Day.
Deepa School celebrated Double Delight on 21st June, that is International Yoga Day and Music Day. The school assembly was a vibrant showcase of the importance of yoga in our lives. The celebration included the musical performances of our students and the yoga practice. Father's Day.
On June 18th, our school celebrated Father's Day with great enthusiasm and affection. The event was a wonderful opportunity for students to show their love and appreciations towards their father. Students of kindergarten had a blast taking fun pictures with their dads, creating memorable moments. And students from higher classes showcased creativity by making heartfelt cards and expressed their gratitude and love to their dads through touching speeches. Foundation Day.
On 4th July, Deepa School celebrates Foundation Day. The grand event was graced by esteemed presence of respected Ma'am Saraswati Chaudhary, SDO Krishnanagar Nadia as our chief guest, accompanied by Reverend Father Vincent and Reverend Father George as our honored guest. The highlight of the celebration was the launch of our innovative news channel, The Updates. Chocolate Day.
On July 8, Deeper School indulged in the sweetness of friendship and love as it celebrated Chocolate Day. LKG teachers and students teamed up to create handmade chocolates, which were then distributed among teachers and students, spreading joy and delight. Meanwhile, UKG students showcased their creativity by crafting handmade envelopes. They exchanged chocolates with their designated Chocolate Day friends, fostering bonds of friendship and affection. DL Roy birthday.
On 19th July, Polian students immortalized the son of our soil, Dejendralal, on his 160th birth anniversary. On this day, Class 3 students have wonderfully performed various programs showing our tribute to this great personality. Debate competition.
On August 9, 2024, the Pearl School students from classes 3 to 5 participated in an intra-school debate competition. With logical arguments and factual insights, they sharpened their thoughts, broadened their perspectives, and showcased their critical thinking skills. Maths quiz.
On August 23rd, students from classes 1 to 5 showcased their mathematical skills in a thrilling quiz. They tackled challenging questions, brain-teasing puzzles, and exciting math problems with ease, demonstrating their numerical prowess and problem-solving abilities. Independence Day.
78th Independence Day was celebrated solemnly. Students showcased their patriotism through their different performances. The release of pigeons by our respected fathers symbolized the triumph of light over darkness, knowledge over ignorance, and freedom over oppression. Our school has also showed the feeling of nationality through an enthusiastic rally to make our surrounding to rise and awake. Teachers' Day.
To honor Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, we celebrated his birthday as Teachers' Day on 5th September. We had Father Jojo as our chief guest. The students of DPAW school had organized a vibrant and energetic program to showcase their love, gratitude, respect, and heartfelt emotions toward their mentors. Patrons Day.
Deepa School commemorate the Patrons' Day on 27th September, paying veneration and love to our patron Saint Vincent de Paul. To make the day memorable, a cultural program was organized by the students. Arts Fest.
The school coordinated on-stage and off-stage art fest the vibrance of the Paulians on 5th October 2024. The kindergarten also had art fest Ethereal Euphoria held on 3rd and 4th October 2024. Our little artists have wonderfully showcased their masterpieces created with love, curiosity, and enthusiasm. Exhibition.
Our school exhibition, Deep Discover Expo, was held on 8 November 2024. The event was inaugurated by Reverend Father Vincent with great joy. It features an impressive array of artwork projects which shared a lot of knowledge to the audience. Children's Day.
The school celebrated Children's Day honoring the innocence, imagination, and enthusiasm of its young learners. Followed by the stage program, the teachers have prepared different games for them. The students had a fantastic time playing games and participating in different activities. Olympiad exam.
Deepa School had also conducted National Olympiads exam in the month of November and December. This platform encourages students to excel in their studies, improve critical thinking, and develop a competitive spirit. Media Corner.
D-Updates. Deepa School Jaralkhali launched D-Updates on July 9, 2024. SDO Madam Saraswati Chaudhary inaugurated this student-led platform, which showcases news updates and journalistic skills. Reverend Father Vincent and Reverend Father George graced the occasion as honored guests. D-Voice.
Our school released its e-magazine D-Voice on July 25, 2024, showcasing students' creative talents and was inaugurated by Reverend Father Terry and our principal, Reverend Father Joseph. Teachers' Tips.
DPAW School launched Teachers' Tip on September 25, 2024, offering expert advice and tricky study tips from teachers to support students' learning. Sports Day and Christmas celebration.
Deepa School organized its annual sports meet, the Sports Vista 2024, on 19th and 20th of December. The Kindergarten Sports Day, held on 19th December, was graced by Reverend Father Cyril. On 20th December, the Sports Day of classes 1 to 5 was inaugurated by Reverend Father George and Father Vincent. Throughout the event, the students demonstrated exceptional team spirit and sportsmanship. Christmas celebration.
The Napoleons spread Christmas cheer with carols and performances showcasing their festive spirit of joy and giving.
That's it for today. Meet you all in the next episode of the updates.
Follow for more such contents. We are signing off for today
And would humbly request our Father Joseph to conclude our annual report of this current session.